I saw a question asked by a guy on Twitter who certainly seems to know what he's talking about when you look back at his timeline about disclosure and the UAP stuff. And he asked a question in something that he posted the other day about what will the new physics look like. And he posed some options. Now, the answer is force. It's based on force, and it's simple, and it's real, and it's imagination. So out of the two combinations, it's imagination is the final energy that powers a force-based universe. So the fact that he was asking that question means he didn't know the answer. The answer is Leve, 1915. And this is why this document is so important. It exists. I have a copy of it. I have translated it. I understand it. It proves absolute motion, and it proves that science knew this in 1915. It proves that Einstein lied with relativity and then maintained that lie for the rest of his life, and that he's not a hero. Far from it. So you just need to readjust your entire thinking here about it, about everything that you've been taught. And so my request to the guy who knows what he's talking about. You talked about free energy and zero gravity. Yes, Leve is telling you the answer. Atomic energy was discovered in 1915, and that there are two ways you can access that energy. You can smash it apart and extract it parasitically, or you can analyze it, bend with it, and work symbiotically. And they knew how to do that in 1915, and so they've chosen this route for us. They've chosen our slavery instead of truth, justice and peace, which we would have had in 1915. So you can see why this evidence is important. So both on a global shifting of the paradigm in terms of morality. Right now, in terms of the prosecution of Israel, all this becomes exposed because they're using the same power of nuclear energy to corrupt the people of Israel, to make them feel genocidal, and they become psychotic. And that we've all been under the same pressure, particularly in Britain and America, under the governments. The reason that they're supporting Israel is because it exposes that they've been using the same techniques. Cambridge Analytica. Okay? It's all data-based, atomic energy, control of the atmosphere, controlling the psyche. Provable. Stone cold evidence. Okay? You just need to look at it. So please do, and then let's talk, because the free energy machine, I think I know how to build it. If you've got people who've already assembling ideas, I've got some ideas. A working model would be a lovely way to say, are you happy now, physicists? Can you listen to this information? The principal axis exists. It's a solution to Euler's identity. Plastic and elastic modulus is sustained by motion, absolute motion. It's Young's modulus. It's the answer. Welcome to New Earth.